What if I told you that every single month, while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're on vacation, money is flowing into your bank account automatically? That's not a dream. That's exactly what rental property investing does. My name is Aljanib, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I built a rental income of $8,000 every single month, starting from absolutely zero real estate experience. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need a finance degree. You just need the right strategy, which I'm going to give you today. So if you're serious about building real passive income through real estate, stay with me, because this video will change how you think about money forever. Let's get into it. Why rental properties? First, let's talk about why rental properties are one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world. Here's a simple fact. 90% of the world's millionaires have built their wealth through real estate. That's not a coincidence. When you own a rental property, you get paid in 4 different ways at the same time. Number 1, monthly cash flow. Your tenant pays you rent every month. After paying your mortgage and expenses, the leftover money is your profit, pure passive income. Number 2, property appreciation. Real estate values go up over time. A property worth $200,000 today could be worth $300,000 in 7 to 10 years. That's $100,000 in profit without doing anything. Number 3, mortgage paydown. Every month your tenant pays rent, that money is also paying down your mortgage. So your tenant is literally buying the property for you. Number 4, tax benefits. Real estate investors get incredible tax advantages. Depreciation, deductions, write-offs, these can save you thousands of dollars every year. So when people say real estate is a good investment, this is exactly why. You're not just earning in one way, you're earning in 4 ways simultaneously. Now let me tell you my personal story, because I was exactly where you are right now. A few years ago, I had no idea how real estate worked. I thought investing in property was only for rich people. I thought you needed hundreds of thousands of dollars just to get started. I was working a regular 9-to-5 job, saving a little bit each month, but I could feel that I was going nowhere fast. Then I discovered rental property investing, and everything changed. My first property was a small 2-bedroom house. I put down $15,000 as a down payment. My mortgage was $900 per month. I rented it out for $1,400 per month. That's $500 profit every single month from one property. I thought, wait, if one property gives me $500 per month, what happens if I have 5 properties? That's $2,500 per month. What about 10 properties? That's $5,000 per month. And that's exactly the journey I went on, property by property, step by step. Until today, my rental portfolio generates over $8,000 every single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap I followed, so you can do the same thing. Okay, so let's get into the actual strategy. Here are the 5 steps I followed to build my rental income from zero. Step 1, get your finances ready. Before you buy any property, you need to know your numbers. Check your credit score. Ideally, you want 680 or above. Start saving for a down payment, typically 15 to 20% of the property price, and reduce any high-interest debt you have. This preparation phase took me about 6 to 8 months, but it was 100% worth it. Step 2, choose the right market. This is the most important step that beginners skip. You don't just buy any property anywhere. You need to find a market where rental demand is high and property prices are still affordable. Look for cities with growing job markets, increasing population, and low vacancy rates. These are signs that people want to rent in that area, which means your property will stay occupied. Step 3, find the right property. For beginners, I always recommend starting with single-family homes or small multifamily properties, like a duplex or triplex. They're easier to manage, easier to finance, and easier to understand. The golden rule is this. The rent you collect must be at least 1% of the purchase price every month. So if you buy a $150,000 property, you need to collect at least $1,500 in rent. This is called the 1% rule, and it's your first filter for any property. Step 4. Finance your property. Most beginners think they need all the money up front. That's not true. With a conventional mortgage, you only need 15 to 25% as a down payment. The bank finances the rest. This is called leverage, and it's one of real estate's biggest superpowers. You're controlling a $200,000 asset with only $40,000 of your own money. Step 5. Manage your rental. Once you have a tenant, your job is simple. Maintain the property, collect rent, and keep your tenant happy. You can even hire a property management company to handle everything for you. They typically charge 8 to 10% of monthly rent. That's literally it. Follow these 5 steps and you're a rental property investor.
Common mistakes to avoid. Friendly warning tone. Now, before I wrap up, I want to save you from the 3 biggest mistakes that new investors make. Mistake 1, buying with emotion. Never fall in love with a property. The numbers have to make sense. If the cash flow isn't there, walk away, no matter how beautiful the house looks. Mistake 2, ignoring expenses. A lot of beginners only think about mortgage versus rent, but there are other expenses. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, vacancy periods. Always calculate your true cash flow after all expenses. Mistake 3, waiting for the perfect time. People always say, I'll invest when the market goes down, or I'll start when I have more money. That day never comes. The best time to start is now, with whatever you have. Start small, learn, and grow.
So there you have it, the complete beginner roadmap to building $8,000 per month from rental properties. Real estate changed my life, and I genuinely believe it can change yours too. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It helps this channel grow so I can keep making free content like this for you. And subscribe if you want more real estate investing guides every week. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your first rental property with only $10,000. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.